Hello and welcome to Reviewverse channel. Here you can get every desirable product at affordable price. Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the most affordable products in the Amazon market. We are a group of people working together to give you product reviews in various categories. We try to make informed decisions so that they can meet your needs and still be reasonably priced and of a good caliber. We'll bring up what you should search for before buying them. Let's get started. EGO Power Plus LM2135 SP 21-inch Select Cut Lawn Mower with Touch Drive Self-Propelled Technology, 7.5 Ah battery and rapid charger included. Select Cut Multi-Blade System for premium cutting performance that exceeds gas. Touch Drive Self-Propelled Technology puts complete control in the palm of your hands. Get 60 minutes of runtime on single charge with the included 56V 7.5Ah ARC lithium battery. High-efficiency brushless motor. Adjustable self-propel speed, 0.9 miles per hour, 3.1 miles per hour. 7-position cutting height adjustments, 1.5-inch, 4. 3-in-1 function, mulching, bagging, side discharge. Greenworks 12-amp 20-inch 3-in-1 electric corded lawn mower, 25022. Durable 20-inch steel deck. RPM, 3600. Powerful 12-amp motor cuts through the toughest grass. Unlimited runtime with AC corded power. Durable steel 21-inch cutting deck gets the job done quicker and more efficiently. 3-in-1 system, mulch, rear bagging, and side discharge. Easy push button starts. No gas, no oil, no emissions. Single lever 7-position height adjustment. Important, use 14-gauge 50-foot or 12-gauge 100 extension cord. Extension cord not included. Ryobi 38 inches 100 Ah battery electric rear engine riding lawn mower RY48111. Includes 1. Ryobi 38 inches 100 Ah battery electric rear engine riding lawn mower RY48111. 3 brushless motors for superior power and performance. Up to 2.5 hours of runtime or 2.5 acres of mowing. Charges through standard 120-volt outlet. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. You can find the product links down below within the description.